This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an Excel file to Google Sheets. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. On my screen, I have a file in Microsoft Excel that I would like to put inside of Google Sheets and convert to a Google Sheets file. This is how you do that. The first thing I'm going to do is to close this Excel file, which is saved on my computer. And then after you close that file, you need to place the Excel file into Google Sheets. And for me, that involves dragging it to the Google Drive homepage. Now that it is uploaded, you simply open it by double clicking it. But what's going to happen is that Google Drive is going to keep this as an Excel file. So as you can see, the extension, the XLSX, is going to remain there because it's an Excel file, and you do have the option of keeping it as an Excel file. But if you want it to be a true Google Sheets document, then you can go up here to the File menu and then click Save as Google Sheets. When you do that, it'll open up a new tab, and now that Excel file is now a Google Sheets document. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.